They have been trying to get charges against me. A whole unit called the Economic Division at DCI, about 16 people have been assigned to turn my life upside down.
Right.
And see whether they can get something to take me to court. My own children have been harassed. They used to have a place they were doing business. They have stayed there for the last 7 years. The person who had listed them, the office was called and threatened that you must cancel the lease and throw them out. They were thrown out at night by policemen, and they came here crying. I said, it's okay. Your father has taken a certain decision. He's your father, so you must suffer the consequences. So I asked my children just to take it easy. These things will go. No situation is permanent. I must say that I'm embarrassed that President William Ruto had promised that he will never use the criminal justice system to settle political scores. He has even perfected it more than the fourth administration. You know, people are being harassed. Our friends are being followed everywhere. They are being threatened by KRA. They are being threatened by asset recovery. It's very unfortunate, but it's okay. There is nothing we can do. Time is healing, and time has a way of sorting out these things. So I want to tell the people of Kenya to know that Rigathi Gachagua, with other leaders who are patriotic, I will do everything possible in their limited means to make sure we fix the governance in this country and accord the people of Kenya an opportunity to fix what is wrong. And I am very hopeful that there will be new leadership when the elections are called, and with leaders who put the interests of this country first, and then we can fix the economy and we can fix all the other things that go with it, the health system, and mostly important, restore the dignity of the payslip. That's a commitment I want to give to the middle class. All the people who have payslips, we are committed, we'll work for you. You will serve for the next 2 years. Muvumilia too, because there is nothing we can do now, because Parliament has been captured, so it cannot help you. Opposition has been captured, it cannot help you. It's only the Kenyans who can help themselves. So I want to appeal to our young people, the Gen Zs and the millennials. You have a date with the destiny. You've done very well so far online, using your smartphone to bring awareness to the Kenyan people. But that is not enough. My sons and daughters, my grandchildren, we are depending on you as a nation. You must take IDs, you must register as voters, and you must come out and vote. What you are doing is good, but it's not complete. The final liberation of this country will be on the ballot box. And it's the Gen Zs and the millennials who will do it for this country. And they owe it to us as their parents. As we are getting tired, we are aging, we are getting a bit sluggish, our young people have a responsibility for us and for the country to sort out this issue. And they'll sort it out on the ballot by registering as voters and actually coming out to vote, and making sure they also protect the vote by making sure that everybody is aware of what is happening.